Have you ever stood in your kitchen surrounded by a mountain of gadgets and tools and wondered, what did I get myself into? Maybe you've bought a fancy spiralizer, a high-tech garlic press, or a set of measuring spoons that promise to change your life, only to find them gathering dust in a drawer. What I wish I knew before buying kitchen gadgets is that you don't need to spend a fortune or fill your cabinets with single-use tools to have a functional, beautiful kitchen. In fact, you can make your own accessories, often for a fraction of the cost and with way more personality and style. You can make your own, cheaper and way cooler. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating something with your own two hands, especially when it's something you'll use every single day. Not only do you save money, but you also get to customize every detail to fit your space, your needs, and your style. Plus, DIY projects are a great way to unwind, get creative, and even involve your family or friends in the process. Imagine the pride you'll feel every time you reach for that handmade accessory, knowing you built it yourself. Let's DIY your dream kitchen, one project at a time. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a total beginner, these projects are designed to be approachable, fun, and totally customizable. You don't need a workshop full of tools or years of experience, just a little creativity, some basic materials, and a willingness to try something new. We'll walk through each step together, so you can follow along and make your kitchen truly your own. Today we're making 5 awesome kitchen accessories from scratch, and you don't need to be a pro. These projects are perfect for anyone who wants to add a personal touch to their kitchen, get organized, and have a little fun along the way. We'll cover everything from a custom cutting board to a clever pot lid organizer, an upcycled utensil holder, a stylish spice rack, and a simple tea towel hanger. Each project is designed to be practical, beautiful, and totally doable, even if you've never picked up a hammer or paintbrush before. First up, a custom cutting board. This isn't just any cutting board. It's one you design and build yourself, tailored to your kitchen size and your cooking style. Whether you want a classic rectangular board, a round cheese board, or something totally unique, you get to decide. Plus, homemade cutting boards make amazing gifts for friends and family. Just grab some scrap wood, glue, and sandpaper. You can use hardwoods like maple, walnut, or cherry for a durable, food-safe board, or get creative with whatever you have on hand. The best part? You're giving new life to leftover materials that might otherwise go to waste. Cut strips, glue them together, clamp tight, sand smooth, and finish with food-safe oil. Take your time with each step. Precision here means a beautiful, long-lasting board. Once it's dry and sanded, rub on a generous coat of mineral oil or beeswax to protect the wood and bring out its natural beauty. You can even add rubber feet or a juice groove if you're feeling fancy. It's tough, looks awesome, and makes meal prep way more fun. Every time you slice, dice, or serve on your custom board, you'll be reminded of the care and creativity you put into making it. Plus, it's a conversation starter. Guests will be amazed when you tell them you made it yourself. Next, let's tame those pot lids. If you're tired of digging through a jumble of lids every time you cook, this project is for you. No more noisy avalanches or scratched-up cookware, just neat, accessible storage that makes your kitchen feel instantly more organized. Take a wood board and some dowels, drill holes, pop in the dowels, and mount it inside a cabinet. You can customize the spacing to fit your lids perfectly, whether they're big, small, or somewhere in between. If you want to get extra creative, paint or stain the board to match your kitchen's color scheme, or add labels for each lid size. No more lid avalanches. Love rustic style? This project is a great way to add a touch of farmhouse charm to your kitchen, and it's totally functional too. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Clean up a few tin cans, paint or decorate them, and screw them to a wooden base. This is the ultimate upcycling project, turning everyday items into something beautiful and useful. You can use different sizes for spatulas, whisks, and wooden spoons, or even add labels for extra organization. Boom! An upcycled utensil holder that's big on personality. Not only does it keep your tools within easy reach, but it also adds a pop of color and creativity to your countertop. Plus, it's a great conversation piece. Everyone will want to know where you got it. Spice chaos? Build a simple rack with a few wood planks and nails. You can make it as big or as small as you need, with shelves for all your favorite spices. Mount it on the wall, inside a cabinet, or even on the back of a pantry door for easy access. Paint, stain, or even stencil it to match your kitchen's vibe. Add hooks for measuring spoons, chalkboard labels for easy identification, or decorative trim for a custom look. Your spices will be organized, easy to find, and beautifully displayed. And last, a quick tea towel hanger from a wood scrap and dowel. This project is perfect for using up leftover materials and adding a practical, stylish touch to your kitchen. You can make it as simple or as decorative as you like. Add a coat of paint, some stenciling, or even a little hook for keys or oven mitts. Drill, screw, hang it up, and it's done. In just a few minutes, you've added a custom feature to your kitchen that keeps towels handy and looks great. It's the little details like this that make your space feel truly yours. Customize with paint, hooks, or stencils. The beauty of DIY is that you can make each piece reflect your personality. Choose colors that make you happy, add patterns or quotes that inspire you, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you make a mistake, just sand it down and try again. Your kitchen, your style. Every project you complete adds a layer of warmth and personality to your home. You'll find yourself reaching for your handmade accessories every day, and each one will remind you of the creativity and care you put into your space. So, ready to DIY your dream kitchen? Gather your materials, clear a little space on your counter, and let's get started. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's creativity, fun, and making your kitchen a place you truly love to be. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and learn as you go. Every project is a chance to grow your skills and express your unique style. Like, share, and subscribe for more creative projects. Happy making! And don't forget to share your creations with us. We love seeing how you transform your kitchen, one DIY at a time. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned maker, there's always something new to learn and create. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Now go make something amazing.